Hi guys, this is Zach from Watches on You, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a very cool watch. This is the Jaeger-LeCoultre Master Control Triple Date. So now, let's take this down to the table and get a close look at it. Okay guys, here's the watch in greater detail, and right away I'm going to go over this watch's 37mm stainless steel case. Now, the case is entirely polished, and that's very common for most dress watches, but it is finished extremely well. JLC is for sure one of the best luxury watchmakers, and you can really see in the finishing of the case there, it is a fine mirror, and this is really just... it's just incredible, especially for a watch that of this price point, as this watch is available here at JB Hudson pre-owned for $4,300, and from a brand like this, I mean, that's insane quality. JLC is kind of known as being Patek quality at Rolex price. That's kind of what a lot of people say about them, and you can definitely see why. Now, one other thing is the case is only 11.5 millimeters thick, so you can see, I mean, that's extremely thin, and for a dress watch, that's a great thing to have, as you're most likely going to be wearing dress shirts, and then that way it won't get caught on your cuff, which happens with a lot of watches. And so this watch is absolutely perfect in its dimensions. I really like it. The 37mm size, though, might be small for some of you, but for a dress watch, I think that that's great. So now moving on to the dial. Now the dial is kind of the silver sunray color, and it looks incredible. I really like how it matches the stainless steel, and I also love how the indices and hands are also match the stainless steel in color absolutely perfectly. Everything just matches on it, and it is all finished with such high quality that it really just pops. You will want to see this piece in real life. It doesn't really carry through on the camera how much it does. Now, one other thing I would like to mention is I like how the subdial second hand is a different color, as that just adds some more contrast to it, and it gives the watch just some color. Same with the tip of the date hand. That is, again, just gives the watch a little bit more color and makes it pop. So now I'm going to move on and explain the movement / the complications. So this watch is a triple date, so you have your month there, sorry about that, I'm going to move the time there, your day of the week right there, and then your date actually is a hand going around the dial. Now, that's just useful, as it gives you all 3 dimensions of the date, except the year, but if you don't know what the year is, that's kind of an issue, I think, and everyone knows what year it is. So, yeah. The movement, though, in this is the JLC caliber 891-2-447 with 33 joules. And it's all in-house, and again, I mean, for this price, getting a triple date completely in-house, I mean, that's just a great deal. So now I'll move on to a wrist shot. Before, though, I'll explain. So this is the deploying clasp, and you have a nice engraved JLC logo in the middle, and JLC's deploying clasps are great. They're entirely polished, as you can see, and they're not that hard to operate. There are some that are very hard to just push in and lock down or open up. This one takes just the right amount of pressure to where it won't accidentally open, but yet it's still manageable to get off your wrist. So now this watch on the wrist fits absolutely perfect for a dress watch. You can see the dimensions are great. I have a 7-inch wrist, so that's for sure above average, but this watch being 37mm still fits it great for a dress watch. I really like how they kept it at a smaller size, and you can see the triple date and everything. It just fits so well together. Especially, I love the brown alligator strap. It matches the dial perfectly. I just really love it. The deployment is extremely comfortable. The strap is extremely comfortable. It's a great all-around dress watch. So, overall, this watch is available here at JB Hudson Jewelers for $4,300 and, well, $4,395. And being that it's JLC, which is definitely a high-end luxury brand, all in-house, and with this level of finishing, I think that that's a great deal. So, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.